In the inky void above us, a silent ballet unfolds. Thousands of satellites, unseen by the naked eye, dance around our planet, carrying out tasks that shape our modern world. Satellites, these marvels of technology, are far more than mere specks in the sky. They are the invisible threads weaving together our interconnected world. But what are satellites exactly, and how do they function? Satellite, in its simplest form, is any object that orbits another. But the satellites we're most familiar with are man-made, launched into space for a variety of purposes. They're equipped with a myriad of features, from cameras to sensors, to carry out their specific missions. Communication satellites, for example, bounce signals around the globe, enabling our phone calls, television broadcasts, and internet connections. Weather satellites, on the other hand, keep a watchful eye on Earth's climate, providing the data meteorologists need to predict our weather and monitor climate change. So how does a satellite work, you might ask? It all begins with a rocket launch. The satellite, tucked safely inside the rocket, is hurled into space. Once it reaches a certain altitude, the satellite is released and, if all goes well, it enters its intended orbit around Earth. The satellite is powered by solar panels that soak up the sun's energy even in the blackness of space. This energy is used to power the satellite's systems and instruments. The satellite also has a set of thrusters, tiny engines that make small adjustments to its course, keeping it in the right orbit. Most satellites have a high-gain antenna that sends and receives information to and from Earth. This is how we get those stunning images of our planet, how we watch live broadcasts from the other side of the world, and how scientists gather data about our universe. To sum it up, satellites are man-made objects launched into space to orbit Earth. They come equipped with various features such as cameras, sensors, solar panels, and antennas that allow them to perform their specific tasks. They work by being launched into space on a rocket, entering an orbit around Earth and using solar energy to power their systems. They communicate with Earth using high-gain antennas, enabling a multitude of services and research opportunities. So the next time you glance up at the night sky, remember the silent ballet unfolding above you. The dance of the satellites, unseen but ever-present, shaping our world in ways we often take for granted. The dance continues, and we are all the spectators and beneficiaries of this cosmic performance.